Do you know you can actually monetize your channel within 1 week if you follow this step that I'm about to tell you? Tested and prove. I grow this channel over here after I discovered this strategy. 1 week after I discovered this strategy, I was able to monetize this channel with 6,000 watch hour and 2,000 subscribers within 1 week. This strategy actually work. It work like magic. I'm not telling you to subscribe, I'm not telling you to like, I'm not telling you to comment. Just go and try this strategy, then come back and say thank you as a token of appreciation, because this is going to change your YouTube. Hey guys, try your best to pay close attention. If you get to this place, let me zoom it a little bit. You click on the middle one, this middle one here. So once you click on it, it will come to this place. It will ask you the first one, set up to live stream now. Don't worry, we have a chance to review settings before you are live. So the next one is later date. So that is the one we're going to say schedule a stream for a later time. You can even set it up ahead of time. So that's what we want to do. Set up like this. Then now say built-in webcam, it says stream softwares. So we'll now go stream softwares. And when you get to that place, it will bring a face like this, upcoming restream. You click here, restream live. Now come to restream. You click that place, it says restream. So once you come to this side, use interface here. Please don't touch any other thing. Everything here is set to go. Just look at the things they write: normal latency, low latency, ultra low latency. You see close, you see none, you see enable, addition. Don't touch anything here. The only thing you will touch here, you see this place, it said restream key, it said reset. That place is said reset. Let me zoom it a little bit so that you can see what I'm saying. This place is said reset. That is where you will copy. Once you copy this place, you head back to App Store. You go back to App Store to install the app. Once the App Store is open, you click search. You come to this place, you write live now. It has pop up. You click here. Once you click here, has come. As you can see, this place is open because I already have this app. I've downloaded it already. That is why it's open. If you open your own, it will tell you get. Once it tells you to get, you just install it. You pass through small process. The process is not much. You just click on it. Just tell you something, you will say yes. You come to this place. So come to, let me tell you, this place you can also restream with Facebook, TikTok, and tweets. So we are going to focus on YouTube. This place, you click on this YouTube. So you see, you log into YouTube. That's not where we're going to verify your YouTube account. That's not where we're going. Where you are going to restream with restream key, you will see where there is a blue key here. You click there. That link we copy, then you come here and paste it. Once you paste it here, you now go back to this place and click next. Once you click next, it's going to bring you to this interface. You will see stream camera, stream broadcast, video. So that is why it's red. It's like I've already used this. Just click video here. Once you click on that video, you come to this place and click next. Once it's click next, it takes you straight to your gallery. Please, whenever you want to use video that you want to go live with, use portrait. I always say it. Portrait get more views than landscape. Use portrait. But the videos I have here is landscape. Let me tell you how you can make landscape to become portrait. But it's best you take the video that have portrait, that is video portrait form. So don't take landscape. So let's say I want to pick this particular video to go live there. So I will come to this place. You click on that video. It will take you straight to that place. Now, if you look at this place now, this is the video. You choose. Once I click, it's just compressing the video to fit in with the form. So look at it. This is the video here. As you can see, this is the video. Compress it. This is not supposed to be like this. Assuming, okay, let me see if I can if I can see video that have that. So let's use video that is video like that. Okay, let's use this. As you can see, this video is videoed portrait, it's not a landscape. So let me use this compress and see how it will turn out to. So as you can see, it has bring it out to this interface. This is what it will look like. It's going to give you the option to repeat, loop this video again and again and again. You see this place is say in this speaker here, you off it so that when you are doing your videos, the background voice will not be disturbing those that are watching your videos. You can't click start now because I don't want this video to play. I don't want to go live now. So this is it, guys. If you follow this step by step, you are going to get your 4,000 watch hour. And I'm just talking about watch hour. The subscribers as well will be increasing, because once people are watching, definitely they will subscribe. You're going to get your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour if you are diligent to this. And if you do not understand this process very well, please feel free to comment at the comment section. Make sure you understand it and follow it process by process, step by step, so that you do not make any mistake, because if you make any mistake, it may affect you. So this is it, guys. Make sure you follow it. No need of asking people to subscribe to your channel, begging people to sub for sub. This is another smart and easy way to get your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. I tried this, it really worked. I use it to monetize my account. I'm not telling you something that I've not tried. I'm telling you something that I have tested and I prove it that it's working. It's really working. And I suggest whenever you want to do the, use video that is so interesting, not a boring video. Use video that keep people watching, video that is entertaining. Use it. Another thing is that try your best to do this restream weekend. People are always available to watch whatever you bring to them weekend. Let's say Friday, Saturday, Sunday. These days people are there to watch. And also in the evening time is the best time to do this kind of restream. Something, let's start by 4, 5, 6 p.m. downwards. So that time people will definitely watch your live. So guys, this really work. If you follow this step by step, I assure you that you monetize in no time. So take care, guys. Let's go. As I've explained to you, because if you miss any part of this training that I've given you, you may not be able to get this done very well. I'm so excited. I'm super excited because I know this very strategy is going to get your channel monetized, because it gets me monetized within a twinkling of an eye. Like this, I was able to monetize. If you like this video and you find value on this, do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video and give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.